That feeling. That heart-stopping moment. You try to log into your YouTube channel and nothing. You're just locked out. Don't worry, we're going to fix this. In this explainer, we are going to walk through every single step to get you back in. So what's the deal? Did you just forget your password? Or is it something worse, like you're seeing signs that someone else has taken over? Whatever it is, you've come to the right place.
Look, if you're a creator, this isn't just annoying, it's a nightmare. It can feel like your whole world is on hold. But listen, just take a deep breath. There is a path back, and we're going to go through it together, step by step.
Okay, before we jump into any forms or start clicking around, there's one foundational rule that you absolutely have to understand. Getting this right is the key to everything else. All right, let's get right into it. This is probably the most critical concept you need to grasp for getting your account back. Think about it this way. Your YouTube channel isn't a separate house. It's just a room inside your main Google account house. So you can't get into the YouTube room without first getting the key to the main Google front door. All recovery roads, whether it's for a forgotten password or a nasty hack, lead straight through Google. So when we say recover YouTube, what we're really doing is recovering the Google account it's built on. Okay, so now that we've got that golden rule down, let's tackle the most common reasons people get locked out. Because honestly, this is where most of us get stuck. So if you've just completely blanked on your password, and hey, it happens to the best of us, the process is actually pretty straightforward. You're just going to head over to Google's recovery page, and it'll pretty much hold your hand through the whole thing. It's going to ask you some questions to prove it's really you, stuff like the last password you remember, or it might send a quick code to your phone. Now, here is a pro tip that can be a total game changer. Don't just try this from a random computer at the library. If you possibly can, do it from a device you use all the time, like your own laptop or phone, and on a Wi-Fi network it knows, like at your house. Why? Because Google sees those familiar signals, and it's much more likely to trust that it's actually you. This can honestly make all the difference. So, you've really got two main paths here. If you know your email but just forgot the password, that's one route. But what if you can't even remember which email address you used? Don't worry. On that same recovery page, there's a little forgot email link. You can pop in a recovery phone number or even the full name on the account, and it'll help you track down the right username. Okay, let's talk about the big one, the crisis scenario. You think you've been hacked. Your stomach just drops, right? Okay, first things first, don't panic. I know that's easier said than done, but there is a clear plan to get back in control.
So, does any of this look familiar? Are you seeing weird stuff? Like videos you definitely didn't upload? Maybe your profile picture has changed. Or worse, you get an alert that your recovery info has changed. These are all giant, flashing red flags. If you've seen any of this, you need to act, and you need to act fast.
All right, so once you manage to get back in, and you will, you have an immediate 4-step security lockdown you have to do. Ready? 1. Change your password to something totally new and super strong. 2. Check all your recovery info. Kick out any phone numbers or emails you don't recognize. 3. Turn on 2-step verification. This is not optional. And 4. Go into your settings and boot off any devices you don't know. That'll kick the hacker out if they're still logged in. And hey, there's actually some really good news here. Just recently, YouTube rolled out a new AI-powered tool specifically for this crisis. You can find it right in the YouTube Help Center. It guides you through a bunch of questions and can help you regain control much faster than the old manual ways. It's a real game changer. All right, now we have to talk about the really serious situations, the final straw scenarios. What happens if your account was completely deleted, or even worse, terminated by YouTube? Let's be very clear about what is and isn't possible here. First up, you have to know the difference between deleted and terminated. They sound similar, but they are worlds apart. A deleted account means the entire Google account was erased, maybe by accident or maybe by a hacker. It is reversible, but you have to be fast. A terminated account means YouTube or Google shut you down for breaking the rules. That's a whole different process that requires a formal appeal. And I am not kidding when I say you have to be fast. For a deleted account, the clock is ticking. You generally only have a super short window. We're talking maybe a few days or a couple of weeks at most to use the standard Google recovery process and get it back. After that, it's gone forever. Now, for a terminated account, your only real option is the appeal. You'll find a link in that termination email YouTube sent you. My advice, when you fill out the form, be polite, stick to the facts, and explain clearly why you think the termination was a mistake. And just be aware that you usually only get one shot at this, so you've got to make it count. Phew! Okay, we have spent a lot of time on recovery. So now, let's switch gears and talk about making sure you never, ever have to go through this whole nightmare ever again.
This is it, your security checklist. Number 1, make sure your recovery phone and email are always up to date. Set a calendar reminder to check it once a year. Number 2, enable two-factor authentication. If you do nothing else from this list, do this. It is the single best way to stop hacks. And number 3, use a long, unique password. And seriously, get a password manager. It makes it so easy.
And finally, please burn this into your brain. Phishing scams are the #1 way accounts get compromised. That's when attackers trick you into giving them your password. A real person from Google or YouTube support will never, ever send you an email asking for your password. Period.
So that brings us to the final question to leave you with. Is your account secure enough for whatever comes next? You know the risks, and now you know the solutions. So right after watching this, go take 5 minutes, that's all it takes, and check your security settings. Don't wait until you're locked out. The best recovery is the one you never have to do.